Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you or demonstrate how you can create a direct link storage mode model within Power BI Desktop. Before now, we've already know that we can create a direct link model within Fabric on cloud. Now with the March 2025 release, you can now do so within Power BI Desktop. But first, you need to enable this preview feature. And how you can do so, you need to go into the options and settings, go into preview features, and select create semantic model direct link mode from one of the one or more Fabric artifacts. We select that and click on OK. Now, you can then go to your one leg catalog to select which or any of the item we want to use to create your direct link. In this case, I want to use my warehouse. I've got a warehouse already created in our Fabric training warehouse. I'll connect to that. And notice what it does. And I would like to give a direct link semantic model a name. I would like to call it sales direct link as stored in this workspace. And of course, I want to select the tables that I would like to use in a model. And I want that one and also this as well, sales. I click on OK. Right? So we'll wait for it to be loaded and create a connection directly to Microsoft Fabric on cloud. So you notice it's creating a direct connection to a direct link, and this is now loaded, and you can see what it's saying there, that we are live editing this model. All changes are automatically applied to your model in Power BI service. So whatever we do here, it will be saved automatically in Fabric on cloud. Now let's create some relationships between these tables. I want to link up the date key in here into create that relationship. Is a many-to-one relationship. I want to save that. And I also want to use our product ID to create a relationship. And also want to use our customer ID to create a relationship. Again, is a many-to-one relationship. Now, as you can see, this is created and we can see that. And if you like to create your measures on there, you can do so. Simply come here and say create measure. Say, for example, I want to create a total sales measure. I can say, I can write a dash expression. I want to use some X, and I'll select that table, which is our sales, and I would like the quantity. Quantity is that one I'd like to select, multiply that by our price, and that one. I will close our bracket, and we're ready to go. I will click on save. That's save. Our measure is created. Now let's look at what we've done within Fabric and see if our changes are being saved. All right, so we are right in the Fabric workspace. Let's look out for what we've created, a direct link sales model. If you open that, we can see what we've created in Power BI Desktop. So you see, and all our tables of what we've created in the desktop is here, and there's a measure there. So there you have it. That is how you can create a direct link storage mode semantic model within Power BI Desktop. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, Click on the like button or subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.